we're going to write this equation right here into slope-intercept form. So if you look at slope-intercept form over here on the right, you'll notice that the y is by itself. On the other side of the equal sign, you will have your x term, and then a number out here, which is your constant. So let's get our y by itself. Here's the equation, 8x minus 5y equals 40. The y is not by itself. It has a few other things next to it. This 5, which is a negative 5, and this 8x. I'm going to get rid of whatever is farthest, so I'll get rid of the 8x first. So I'm going to subtract 8x on both sides. And that's both sides of the equal sign. So on the left-hand side now, drop down my equals. On the left-hand side, 8x minus 8x is 0, cancels. So I now have negative 5y, don't forget the negative, equals 40 minus 8x. Those two do not go together, they're not like terms, so you just write 40 minus 8x. All right, is my y by itself now? Nope, one more thing is the minus 5, right? And this is negative 5 times y, they're multiplied. If you don't have a plus or a minus between them, they're multiplied. So to get rid of multiplication, I'm going to divide by negative 5. And if I divide the left-hand side by negative 5, I have to divide the right-hand side also. I'm going to divide every term by negative 5. Now on the left-hand side, negative 5 over negative 5 reduces down to a 1. So I'm left with a 1y equals 40 divided by negative 5 is negative 8 minus 8x over negative, so the two negatives make a positive in this case, and this is going to be 8 over 5x. All right, the x can be in the numerator, or you can just bring it out front. Now, I'm almost in slope-intercept form, but you'll notice that slope-intercept form has the x part first and then the constant part next. So let's just rearrange the order here. Y equals 8 over 5x minus 8. All right, all I did there was put that here and that there. This is slope-intercept form. Y equals 8 over 5x minus 8. Now, what is the slope? The slope is the letter M. You can think of mountains hitting the slopes, and that can be found right in front of the x. Okay, the x is not the slope. The slope is just the coefficient in front of the x. So the slope is 8 over 5. All right, slope-intercept form, and then tell me what the slope is. We did that.